Here you go, guys. Another video by Oscam. I'm just trying to introduce you today to the Cocoon Voyger FPV. This is a drone. It's a very cheap drone, in fact, which I've got quite a while ago, and I've used it for a while. So I thought I'd do a review video because when I bought it, I looked at. I did not get any review video on it, and this is only good if you looking something just to learn and stuff like that, but this is not great if you want to do a long distance run or something like that. So this is the Cocoon. As you can see, it has legs which come separate in a box, and we need to put it on. And there's a camera there, this is a very poor quality camera. I will show you some of the recording I've done. So I'm just showing you the see some wear and tear because I was keep hitting it on the trees, and I was hitting everywhere. So it's not too bad. That's where the batteries are. So this is the remote. This is the remote control. So it comes with that. You put your phone in here and download the FPV Voyger app, which will connect Wi-Fi to your Voyger drone, and then it will fly up to the sky. Only 50-meter range. So once it's flying, you can only control it up to 50 meters, and if it is a windy day or something like that, it's gonna be out of control. And I've lost it many times. The tricky things about this to set up, I'll just explain to you that. So see, all these things, they come two packages. So this is the first one that I added. So if you damage it or anything like that, you can we have another spare one. And once you fit this all in, this one here is very easy to fit in, and they give you like a screwdriver. It comes in a bag to set it up. And here is the camera here. It's usually turned on by the mobile phone app, which I'll show you. It's an FPV app, Cocoon app. So it wirelessly connects the device through the Wi-Fi anyway. So this is that's where is the tricky part here, is the a battery to put in right here. This is a bit tricky. I'm just showing you how to put that in, the battery. So that's the button here to just turn it. So as you can see it's turning. So that's the one to turn to left and turn to right. And that's the one, it's just the throttle. That's the one, just the throttle. See how I go here and it's coming down, and how I go back and it's going up. As you can see, it's going up. So it's just trying to go up. It's just trying to go up. And as soon as I put this way, it's coming towards me. When I'm putting the remote this way, so it's coming towards me, and when I'm putting the remote that way, it's going behind. And when I'm going left, it's going the sideways, and when I'm going this side, and it's going the sideways. So that's very important to understand now how to maneuver it. And if you do, I'll just try to get a little bit back. Yeah. So as you can see, the battery lasts around 5 minutes, so it's not that great. See, if I'm doing, let's have a look. If I'm doing left, it's going left. If I'm going here, it's coming towards me. And if I'm putting backward, it's going backward. So if I'm putting this way, it's going that way. And as soon as I put it here, it's coming that way. See? So it's very hard to know at the beginning. And I have a full throttle on at the moment. So don't try to do that while you're flying. See, as you're going slow, it's coming down, it's coming down. So now, if I want to go up, I just move it towards me, and see as it's flying away. And depending on which way you're maneuvering, that's the way it's gonna go. So it's very hard to learn watching that video. You can get some sort of an idea. It took me at least 10 or 20 a round of battery, which is only an hour. to actually understand. And as you can see, it's pretty good. But it's $50 from LD. And if you ever lose control, you just cut this switch off. See this switch off here? You switch it off. And then you see it will automatically come down. As you can see, it's in my hand. So I cut down the communication with my remote. So the battery in 30 seconds, it will cut off and the drone will come down whatever it is. I switched off. As you can see, see, it's 30 seconds. Lost control and I cut off communication, but it flown for 30 seconds for another half a kilometer. But then it fall down. I suggest if you are looking to use that drone, don't be in a small area. You must be in a big football field or something. This little booklet comes with that. Before you flying your drone, you always make sure that you actually know the rules and the regulation of your country. So this is, if you're buying it in Australia, it's going to come with a little booklet like that, and it will tell you where can you fly it and where can't you fly it. And you can't fly in Australia 5.5 kilometers from the airport, and it depending on where you're living. If you're living in the country, you shouldn't be worried at all. And it's a $900 fine if you do actually fly closer to the airport, and 30 meters when you're flying, no one else can be next to you. It's only one person is allowed when you're flying. You can't fly over people, you can't fly over roads, over houses. Give you a booklet, so there is nothing to worry if you read the booklet and stuff, how to set up. And so this is the charger that it comes with.